The final steps for TDC 2.0 installation. This is the basic version. If you have the Pro version and want to install that, please watch the next video. But yeah, for this one, all you'll need is the thumb screw, the included O-rings, the inner barrel finished with the TDC 2.0 installed, and the outer barrel. So to get started, we'll just take the thumb screw and install one of the O-rings. I suggest starting with just one. This provides some extra resistance on the turning, and in case you find it's not sufficient, you can always install the second one later, but I suggest starting with just one. Now all you need to do is take the hope chamber and install it in the outer barrel like you would normally do. Align the thread with the hole, and as you can see on the other side, your hole for the TDC should align just fine. And then all you need to do is take the screw and install it in place. Initially it will turn on easily, and for the final bits it's going to start threading the nylon part of the thread, and it should have some resistance so it doesn't turn by itself. As you can see, it doesn't really turn, but once you apply pressure, even from one side, you can quite easily turn it. Make sure that you don't screw it all the way in. Leave some room for adjustment so that you don't blow out the bucking the first time you shoot it. And that's it. Now you can install this barrel back on your SSG and it's ready for shooting. In case, for some reason, you can see the screw is very tilted or not aligned properly with the hole. That might happen if you had the hole on the flute. Just go back, install back the drill jig, and just drill the hole with a 4mm drill this time instead of 3.5mm, and this should completely solve the problem for you, as it will have more clearance for error. And yeah, so do that and you're done. Just have fun, and see you guys in the next one.